Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To remove the wiper blade, you can pull the arm up so you can have it in service mode. Then you can push down on this little button here and slide the blade out. Sometimes it's a little bit tricky if it's a little dirty. To install the wipers, you're going to line this back up and lock it in place. And I can push it back down. We're going to do the same for the passenger side. Pull this up, push the button down, pull the blade out. Reinstall, line it up. Lock it in place. To remove the rear wiper blade, there's a cover over here. We're going to grab with two hands on the sides here. Some clips that hold this cover on. Pull this cover off. The clips are on the side here, and then it moves forward right there. To get this blade up, there's a little tab right here. You can use a small screwdriver and just pry up on it, and then wiggle the blade back and forth, push it, and then pull the blade right out. To install the blade, you're going to line this arm up in that little slot there and pull it towards the outside and lock it in. To install this cover, we want this to go in this little slot. So line that up, push it towards the right side of the vehicle, and then we'll push down on the back and lock it in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.